better luck next time. Okay, so let's play it, maestro.
Gloria Gaynor, I Will Survive.
I
cover.
will survive. Oh, I know I
At first I was afraid, I was petrified. Kept thinking I could never live without you by my side. Then I spent so many nights just thinking how you done me wrong. And I grew strong, and I learned to get along. It's on your back from outer space. I just want you to find you here with us and look upon your face. I should have changed my fucking love. I should have made you leave your key, but I know you just 1 second. You be back to bother me, go, no, go. Work out the door, just sit around now, cause you know what come anymore. Weren't you the one to try to hurt me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and down? No, no, I will survive. Oh, son, I know how to love, I know I'll be alive. I got all my life to live, I got all my life to live. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, yeah.
I can't believe this.
Yeah, I was not even expecting that he could do like
We could do a high song like this one.
notes. Wow.
Nice, amazing. And also, despite his being like a husky,
Voice.
having a husky voice, he still
Yeah.
can deliver the song like
And
really
he
good.
can even dance.
And he can groove, man. And we love people who can groove their asses off. They're having fun.
It's a color strength I had not to fall apart. Keep trying hard to mend up pieces on my broken heart. Just that I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry,
Not anymore.
but then I held my head up high. You see me, somebody knew my broken heart. Just that I spent so many nights just feeling sorry for myself. I used to cry, but then I held my head up high. You see me, somebody knew I'm not that genuinely the person still in love with you. And say I feel like dropping it, expect me to be free, but now I'm stepping on my loving, cause someone will love me. I'm gonna go, walk out the door, just sit around now, cause you don't want to come anymore. But you don't wanna try to hurt you with goodbye. Did you think I'd crumble? You don't think I'd lay down?